How to do the TikTok color palette trend. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply do that TikTok color palette trend on your TikTok profiles in your mobile phone. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the Play Store application and search for the TikTok and make sure that it's updated because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the TikTok application. Secondly, if you're any other operating system user or the OS user other than the Android, that means if you're an Apple, Symbian or any other user, make sure that you go into your respective app store directories or from where you get the applications and update it. So once you do that, then just go into your Instagram. Once you get into your Instagram, open up the stories or just select a story or add a story. Once you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply you choose a color by going into this icon and furthermore going into choose a color option or a icon that is at the left corner of your screen. Once you get there, here it is. So you have select a color. So once you have done that, you've selected a color and it's done that, take a screenshot. Okay, so once you have taken a screenshot, go on and check for another color. So once you get another color, take a screenshot of that. So once you're done with taking all the screenshots, go into your TikTok, create a post by tapping on the plus icon to that one and write down, select it, tap next, or simply write down the color or trend palette or whatever you want to write and start creating by uploading it. So you just have to do this, can also apply effects to it, and once you upload another picture you can do that. So this is how you do it. This is how you do the TikTok color palette trend, and I hope this was informative. And if you have some questions, just comment down below. I would love to answer those. Feel free if you have anything to ask. Secondly, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can receive the notifications for further awesome videos like this. Till next time, peace.